Chapter 4 Word Styles. Hello children, you have learned about MS Word, which is used to type text in many ways. Let us know more about it. Microsoft Word or MS Word, often called Word, is a graphical word processing program developed by Microsoft Corporation. The purpose of the Word is to allow the users to type and save documents. Similar to the other word processors, it has various helpful tools to make documents. When you open Word, the application window of the Word will look as below. After starting Word, you will see the menu bar items as below. Working with header and footer. Header and footer can help keep longer documents organized and make them easier to read. Text entered in the header or footer will appear on each page of the document. To use header and footer, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click on Insert tab. Step 2. Find header and footer. Step 3. Click on Header and select Blank 3 columns option. The Design tab will appear on the ribbon and the header will appear in the document. Here you can place date and time, page number and other desired information. Step 4. Click Close Header and Footer or press Escape key. After you close the header or footer, it will be still visible, but it will be locked. To edit it again, just double-click anywhere on the header or footer margin and it will become unlocked for editing. Paragraph. Word includes many features designed to assist you in placing text on the page just the way you want it. You can align text left to right using tabs or alignment buttons, or you can adjust your text vertically using line and paragraph spacing options. Following are some of the available paragraph formatting choices. Aligning text. Alignment arranges the text to line up at one or both margins or in center between the margins. Alignment can be applied to entire paragraph. You can align text to the left, right, center, or you can just justify your text, which means that the text becomes evenly spaced across the page from the left margin to the right margin. To apply alignment by selecting the text you want to align, follow the given steps. Step 1. Choose Home tab. Step 2. In Paragraph Group, click one of the following alignments. Align left. The text aligns evenly at left margin. This is the default choice. Center. The text centers evenly between the left and right margins. Align right. The text aligns along the right margin. Justify. The text fills with micro spaces so it aligns evenly on both left and right margins. Following pictures illustrates a document with text matching with each alignment option. Adding borders. Word includes borders that you can apply to any size of text which draw the reader's eye to the specific areas for a quick read. A border can cover the entire area or a combination of lines around the text, such as above and below the text. Step 1. Select the text you want to border and select Home tab. Step 2. In Paragraph Group, click the drop-down arrow next to the borders, which displays a list of options like the one you see in the following picture. Step 4. Choose the border option you want. Shading text. Shading helps you to distinguish headlines and important passages, such as sidebars, by creating a screen which is typically light gray in color against the standard black text. To use shading, follow the given steps. Step 1. Under Home tab. Step 2. In Paragraph Group, select Shading. Choose a color from the resulting shading gallery as shown in the picture. Fact: adding dark blue shading caused Word to change the font color to white. Indenting paragraph. An indent refers to the width of the empty space between margins and text. Indent before text means space between the left-hand margin and left-hand side text of the paragraph. An indent after text means space between the right-hand side text of the paragraph and the right-hand margin. Typically, text runs between the left and right margins, but you may want to indent particular paragraph. To indent a paragraph, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click anywhere in the paragraph you want to indent. Then choose Home tab. Step 2. In Paragraph Group, click Increase Indent. Each click of the Increase Indent button indents the text 1/2 inch from the left margin. Click the Decrease Indent button to move the text back 1/2 inch.